What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing discussions, analysis, and news about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain technology. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about crypto, going over the latest news, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. Now, unfortunately, price action is red. We're sitting here watching SHIB And SHIB test 600 points per coin once again. Now this is roughly 20% off of the recent low, around 500 points per coin, but nonetheless the negativity continues on. We had one strong push at the beginning of January to start 2026 off on a very positive note, but of course since then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of nothing but losses. Guys, that is devastating when you've got 6 straight weeks of losses and it's manifesting itself in the fear. This is how it's showing how people are emotional right now. A level of 10 extreme fear as prices are already rebounding off of these recent lows. A level of 5 extreme fear was hit a couple of days ago. And of course, here we are with the 10. This is among the lowest that we have ever seen on the Fear and Greed Index, and it's going to cause a lot of selling pressure, absolutely, but it's really going to cap the gains. So let's talk and see what these analysts have to say about SHIB And SHIB and its price action despite the recent burns. SHIB And SHIB falls 1.5% to 601 points per coin, and now it's 603 points per coin at the time that I'm recording this video, so right around the same place. Despite the burn rate surging by 2,097% to 2.6 million SHIB. Guys, $12 in SHIB And SHIB was burned over the last 24 hours, which is not enough to cause any sort of price movement. It's just not. It says in the last 24 hours there, spot outflows moderate dramatically to just $443,000, which is very low for SHIB And SHIB. The smallest outflow in weeks as selling pressure shows signs of exhaustion. Recovery requires reclaiming the 680 point per coin level, while the close above 550 close below 550, opens downside risks towards the 400 point per coin demand zone. Now, I'm going to be honest. I don't know if there's a demand zone at 400 points per coin. I don't know what happens if we fall below 500 points per coin. Guys, SHIB And SHIB has essentially, this 508 point per coin level is the lowest level that SHIB And SHIB has hit since it made a name for itself in 2021. Beyond that, you literally have to come out. You've got to go to CoinMarketCap, and this isn't even going to show us the lowest levels, right? But if we look at the all-time price movement, you can see here 7 zeros and a 1, 9 zeros and a 1. Imagine SHIB And SHIB losing 99.99% of its value from the current level after already being down 90% from the all-time highs. These are the levels that SHIB And SHIB was trading at before it made a name for itself. And if you look at this here, 7 zeros. This is already a 100x increase, right? 9 zeros and an 11, 7 zeros and a 2, and then it starts to tick up in April of 2021. 6 zeros, 5 zeros. You know, we may have a little support around 5 zeros and a 3, but 5 zeros and a 1? Guys, I don't know if SHIB And SHIB has any support in the 400 point per coin demand zone. This little area right in here is so brief, it's so quick, that I don't know if SHIB And SHIB would be able to maintain itself if it does fall below that 500 point per coin floor that is held up since it made a name for itself in 2021. So exercise caution moving forward, absolutely. Take advantage of all of the opportunities that we have to accumulate. But man, we have to remain optimistic that SHIB And SHIB does not fall below these levels of support.